Okay, folks, so what you're going to see in the video is a Texas rat snake. I believe it's a Texas rat snake. From the details I can see in the video and kind of basing it on the numerous rat snakes I've seen on the property, and I've even seen one of the almost the same size, maybe a little larger, over the last few years on the property. It might even be the same snake. So that's kind of what I'm basing it on. This is a video that my son took. He was a little boy at the time, and you're going to see him do little boy things in the video. I did not know he did this. I actually, he brought this video to me, and he's a grown man now, so I thought it was kind of funny because he's doing little boy things that he's not supposed to do. So, but you do get a good view of this animal, and it's if you're into wildlife, you should enjoy it. So, without further ado, here you go, folks.